Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no camera are attached and the error code you get on the screen is 0xA00F4244. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue and the error code you get on the screen is 0xA00F4244, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. In this you have to select camera, just click on the camera, double click on that. You can see this is the integrated webcam, just right click on that, click on disable device, click on yes, and see the device has been disabled. I can right click and enable the device and check whether it is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then right click, uninstall device and click on uninstall. After uninstalling, after completion of this uninstall, once you have to restart your laptop. After restarting your laptop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no camera are attached and the error code you get on the screen is 0xA00F4244. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.